Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split videos and Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So now let's begin. All we need to do now is to simply click on the plus button and then we will be able to start creating a new project from here. You choose simply the videos or the clips that you want to add to your project, and from the editing panel we will be able to trim them or to cut them. Now I'm just going to start or go to a video that's or a project that I'm already working on, and simply I will be able to start splitting my videos. Now, as you can see, we have three videos. All you need to do is to go to the second that you want to start or to split or trim, and then you will be needing to just click on the split button. So here in this toolbar at the bottom, you will have also this split tool, and it will allow you to start splitting your videos however you'd like. But make sure that you are selecting the video that you want to split. Otherwise, it won't show here and you won't be able to do it. So you will need just to click on it and make sure it is surrounded by this highlight or yellow highlight, and then you click on split. So after that, you will be able to start editing on the splitted side or on the splitted video independently on the other videos or on the parent video. And from there, you will be able to add all the editing that you want to each video. For example, I'm just going to add a filter to this one, and we want to make it, for example, this orange. I'm just going to click on done. And for this one, I'm just going to make it some other color or whatever. And as you can see, if we just continue, we will find that there are difference between these colors. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.